You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Joy and I greet you all according to the time you are watching this video. Well, the reason for this video is to let you know that I am giving this sewing machine a break. Like, I'm giving it freedom. It has really worked. It has tried. It has done so many stuffs. In life, there is need for you to upgrade. So before I continue with this video, if you are just coming across this channel for the first time, or you are just seeing my face for the first time, I greet you specially. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, I always do appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. So if you have been following my channel, you will have seen that this sewing machine has done so many stuffs. Let me tell you a little about this sewing machine. I didn't really get it brand new. I got it when I just moved into the UK, and I didn't want to stay out of sewing for a very long time, so I had to get this sewing machine. So it has been serving, yeah, but I already knew that I will upgrade with time. I already knew I would buy a new one, yeah. So I think this is the time. So I'll be pushing this to this side and I'll be bringing in the new one. This new one is a Singersewingmachine. So basically I have used 3 sewing machines since I started sewing. The first I used was Butterfly when I was in Nigeria. This one is Toyota. Toyota is a very strong product. Then now I am using Singer. So this one is heavy duty sewing machine, the new one I got. You know what? We are going to unbox it together because I don't really know how it is inside. I ordered it online, then I went to the store to pick it up. So without any further ado, let's do the unboxing. Guys, this is not a paid advert. I'm just doing it because I just want you guys to see how it is. I had to put off the ring light because it was reflecting. So now you can see it clearly. This is Singer HD 4432 heavy duty. So that's the model of this sewing machine. So I'm opening it up now and let's see how it looks. I love the color. This is a great color. Wow. This looks rugged. This looks very, very rugged. Wow. So this is the foot presser. And this is the major part of this sewing machine. This is the sewing machine itself. This looks very good. This looks very, very beautiful. And it came with some accessories. So here are some extra accessories. This is for fixing the body. Yeah. Then this is the bobbin. Then there are needles here. Wow. So all this came with the sewing machine. This is a bag. I'm just telling you the contents of what is in the carton. So I think maybe after usage, one can always use this to cover it to prevent it from dust. So this is also in the carton. Here is the manual. Although when I read it online, I saw that you could download the manual. Here is everything in the carton. This is more like a guide on how to fix the thread, the needle, the bobbin, thread the bobbin and the rest. But this is the hard copy, the safety instructions. I may not be able to read everything in this video, so I will still go back to read this manual. Guys, if you have used this sewing machine before or you are currently using it, kindly let me know your experience about it in the comment section. For me, I have not used it before. I only just bought it based on what I read about it on the internet. And again, Singer is a good product from all that I have heard about it. I may not be able to couple this sewing machine now in this video because I really need to take my time to read the manual. So I'll probably share my experience with you in my next video or whenever I sew with it. Yeah, so that will be all for this unboxing. Guys, it's almost times two heavier than the other one. It's really heavy. So this is how it looks. I like the color. It's cool. It's cool. I can't wait to start sewing with this sewing machine. Like, I'm just happy. Yeah, if you have watched this video to this time, I believe you enjoyed this and maybe you may want to go for this sewing machine as well. I don't know what to do with that other sewing machine yet. Depending on when I am done coupling it and I see that everything is working well, then I will now know what to do with it. Or better still, I could use it as a spare. Yeah, I could just use it as a spare, but I really don't know what to do with that sewing machine for now. Let me concentrate on this one. This is the one that is on ground now. Don't forget to give this video a like, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to join this beautiful family by hitting the subscribe button. Thanks for the support all the way, and see you all in my next video. Bye.